What the fuck is that question all about? So hey guys, I'm back for my YouTube channel and you're watching Angel's Vlogs. So for today's vlog guys, dugay-dugay naman dyan kung wala ka video. Oh my god. Hello. Hawa, uy! Ew. So since dugay-dugay naman kung wala ka video and this is the time na yung request na ko. This is the time na mag-video ko balik, okay? So, ang title sa akong vlog is all about question and answer part 3.
A few moments later.
Hala, uy, hindi na siya. Magsamog-samog. Pangalan Mia Khalifa. Oh my
God, Mia Khalifa.
I'm so fresh for today. Like no lip makeup, so I'm just going to have a lip tint on it. So, mo kasi eyes. Okay. So, here is our dogi-dogi, nahugawan, daway buhok. It is ice. Ice. Hi to my channel. Hi. Oh, it's so ill. Can you see that? So, without further ado, let's just get started. Oh my god. So, ang first question is Fiona Peteluna. Hashtag itanong mo kay Andrea. Bitch, gimingaw na ko ni mo. Ikaw gimingaw sud ka na ko. Oh my god. It's been a while nga which is na nakita. Bitch. And that's so long time since it's December 14. December 14 na beta baga kita sa mingawon jud ko. Lahat na naman siya mingawon man jud ko sa tanan mingawon jud ka patunya. Mingawon ka. Char. Pero gimingaw jud ko ng bitch. Sure. Next question is Ashley Denise Pentes. What kind of personality you have? Ito lang ka types of personality and moody ko nga pagkatao. Butan ko sa taong butan na ko. And lastly, I am a happy person kung magka-close ng dyan ta makabaw dyan kang unsa ko ka malipayon o unsa po ko kasabaan sa among yun. Saman! Tubot lang na ako diri. Ambot! Ato ah. Tay. Third question. Joseph. Ano nila basa? What the fuck is that question all about? Namuta naman dyan mo. You know, I'm curl. Habang nag-chemistry. Like, oh my god, I don't know. For the fourth question, Janine Killer, Army ka since, yes, boom. An Army ko since 2016, so it's been a while. It's turning 4 years, 3 years pa. I am in Army since July 24, 2016. It's my birthday. Kinamsagin ko na ako, recommend ako nga. BTS is nindot sila, nindot ilang style, nindot ilang, like, nindot ilang mga kanta, and then pag-search na ako, ang ako yung nagapuan. But go pa sila kanan, I really love them all because I'm solid Army. It's Ashley Fuentes again. Unsay mga ideal guy or girl? Wait, kung sa guy ta magbase, ang ideal guy is with ex-crush na ko. Kawaman mo nun sa aking ex-crush. Kawaman siguro mo sa aking ex-crush kay, you know, gusto ko padungdong and since gusto ko magpadungdong. Kawaman siguro mo no? Respected ang first na kong ganahan lakason. Player sad, daotol nga maskulado glawas and then kansad inisik and malipayan. At yung alinyabon, oh my god. Yot, unsay nga sa imo crush na taga si IT. Wag KJ ha. Itanong mo kay Andrea. Yan kagluyot ha. Kung crush kayo. Grade 10. Daoton. Tag chat ganun. Kaon. Question, Chan Clifford Yaon. Nganong gwapa man ka? Speechless ko. Again, di ko magbase kung unsa ka gwapa. Bisag unsa ka gwapa kung kay respeto si mong kaugalingon, I cannot surely think you're beautiful. Mas ganahan ko bahalag not like di ko mo ingon nga batik kag nang ko maingon nga gwapa ka. Like it's between the natural beauty of it. Hindi siya if natural beauty in it and it's in the middle. Sobraan, di siya pwede pasobraan sa kagwapa, di pa siya pwede pasobraan sa kabutan. It's like with, mas hindi siya if balance kani, balis akong sa klase pa sa SPA, mas balance ang imuhang like basically your curriculum. Ang curriculum is dance, so ang dance and ang akong academics mabalance siya. The reason why para makapasar ka, para na ako, I'm not beautiful with it. I'm beautiful with my heart. Thank you. Thank you, Juday. Thank you for that question. Aba mo ang gwapa? Ako mama si Janet. Akong papa po si Arnold. Mom Jud na. Muna atong nawatan nga tsaka Jud ko. Charos gwapa ko eh. Liwat gusto ko pamilya. Like, so next, let's move on to the next question. It's Carla resection. Babe, unsa ako madawat nga pinaskuhan? Kabakan sa'yo madawat nga pinaskuhan? Imong madawat nga pinaskuhan kay akong pagpangka.
A few moments later.
Igat di uy. Libre ko ni mag-McDo. Sure, libre ko ni mag-McDo. Next question is Winley May Margalio. Siya gyapon ni mo crush. Che. Nayot uy. Okay, ako na kayo. Tumoro baka hilakan ko ng oh my god. I cannot accept the fuck ng hilak. Siya. Oh my god. Boom. Boom. Kanyang katubo. Ano, ano. Cheryline Soriano, did you experience in a relationship? So, naka-experience na ko. Yes, naka-experience ko. But, it's advice lang na ko. It's not all about giving all your efforts to the person you love once is that means nga love yun mo siya. It means nga mas makakita niyo mo yung pag-love if not only by giving a person like treating him or her treating him or her nga sa yung ganahan like gana siya makdo, ganan siya sapatos, ganan siya Balenciaga, ganan siya pen shop, Watsons or whatever. What the fuck is that all about? It's all about the personality, bitch. Dito mo palabi kaya once mong palabi ta mas lalo ka masakitan ikaw gyapibiyaan, ikaw gyapiloy. So sad mo nang I experienced it but I made a mistake from it kaya I'm loving myself na dyan. And lastly, Lovely Apas, wala ba kayo plano malaki? Nasa ko plano but I have a plan to do with my life so wala sa ko plano karon nga magpalaki sa ko. I'm just gonna be with myself from it. Indeed. So, that's all for your questions. Gamay lang akong dipili ng questions kay gamay pa may ng comment. It's been 25 minutes. 25 pa to minutes. Kapin, ako din siyang gipanguha ang questions. I think it's 12 or 13 all questions. Ako na siyang gipilian. I know, it's all the questions yung kanan siya. Kanan. And ako man dinalian kay I want to post it for tomorrow. And hey guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Yes, comeback will be on 2020. Remark it. So that's all for this video. If you like this video, you sure to give this a massive thumbs up and subscribe kung wala pa, and also follow my IG account, it's here, and my Facebook. I'll gonna follow you back and confirm. So that's all. Thank you. Bye bye.